Hello everyone, this side Siddharth Mukherjee. Uh, I'm coming here regarding my Bank Nifty signal system. I have created another Bank Nifty signal that includes the banks. The banks are like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank, RBL Bank, Federal Bank, and Bank of Baroda. So these 11 banks, 10 banks I have included, and previously you know that Yes Bank has removed. So the Yes Bank is removed from here, and if you go my previous videos, then you can see those things. And let me tell you that how to trade with this Bank Nifty uh, direction. So name of this signal system is Bank Nifty direction. Okay, so Bank Nifty direction is working on the uh, time frame start from 5 minutes. So with the 5 minutes we can work, and what we have to do, if you can see that any trending move is properly captured. Okay, so any trend, any kind of trending move. So this, see, there is this bearish move, see this bullish move, see this bearish move. Okay, bullish move, bearish move. So this is 5 minute chart. In this 5 minute chart you can do scalping, and you can do trend trading as well, and go in and out with the 30, 40 point, 50 point as well, that you can do. Okay, so results are pretty good in trending market. And if it's a non-trending market, then it's giving good results. If you see that we have in 5 minute time frame, uh, results are net profit is going 2.59, and 10 minute chart 10-minute chart is giving 13.96, and 15-minute chart is giving here 17% return. Okay, and 30-minute chart is giving 20% return, and 1 hour chart is giving almost 13% result. So here I have included three algorithms. So based on three algorithms, the results are different. Now if you go to this HMA crossover, in HMA crossover the results are just different. So we will see that there is a two different kind of plots are happening in HMA crossover. See this one. So this is the HMA crossover plot, that is exactly for uh, lower time frame as well. So see that 1 hour chart was giving 1 hour chart was giving pretty good result with the normal line crossover, but HMA crossover was not giving very pretty good result. It is giving only 5% net profit. If we go with the 30 minute, you can see the results is 15%, though we had a 20% result in on that with the previous algorithm. And 15-minute chart is giving pretty good result, 27%, which was around 17% with normal line crossover. And if you go to the 10-minute chart, 11% result is there, and for the 5-minute chart we have 10% results. So if you see that in 5-minute chart, we had a bad result with normal line crossovers. Okay, so another we have SSMA 7 crossover with the SSMA 14. So it is giving 3% result, and 10-minute result, 10-minute chart is giving you 2% result. 15-minute chart is giving 27% result. So this one is same with the previous HMA crossover with the SSMA. And if you go with this 30 minute, 30 minute is giving 16% result, and 1 hour is giving 14% result. So results are pretty good if you trade with the hedge, so that your risk is get reduced. And with the hedging you can make good money with this tool, and you can do pretty good in this stock market in the Bank Nifty signals. So everyone needs one tool, one setup that will help them to trade. and this tool is exactly for helping the common traders like retail traders. Okay. And if if you know the support and resistance, that support and resistance will give you pretty good mm, uh, way to know that how to exactly trade this kind of charts. So what you have to do, go with 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart you can draw like this kind of supports and resistance as well. Support and resistance you draw, and then go with the 15 minute and 10 minute of chart or 5 minute of chart and see that how things are happening, and based on that you can do the trades. Okay. Based on that you can do the trades. See that we have a good pretty good result trades are there. You have to just make the patience, and if you have a patience you can make good money with this tool. Okay. And might be possibility that there are few lost traders will be there, but if you follow this signal system you will get good gains. And I have done this and I'm doing pretty well with this tool. So if you have any confusion, please call me. My number is 8800011363, and you can go to my Bulls and Bears Fight Telegram group. My group name is Bulls and Bears Fight. In that group, you can join, and I am the administrator on that group. You can ask me any kind of question regarding my indicators. So this is all about the Bank Nifty direction indicator, and prerequisite with this indicator is you should know the support and resistance. I'm giving the education on the same. If you don't know about the support and resistance, I'm giving the education while giving this indicator. So charges for the support and resistance teaching is different. It will take another 1500 rupees, and this indicator is paid indicator. So this indicator charges is 1500 rupees. So total 3000 you will give me. I will teach you how to trade with this indicator, and how to exactly make money with this indicator. And there is a two kind of traders: the risk takers, and who are exactly the less risky trades. So I will show you both of this strategy how to do that. And hope you like this one. And if you like this one, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay. And my channel name is a different from YouTube. Whatever the YouTube name is there, and it is different with uh, my Telegram channel name. Okay. So if you have any confusion, just ping me in Telegram, and you can call me as well with the 8800 111 363. Same is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me as well. Okay. So how to add this indicator? So I have to give you access. When you will have access, what you have to do, go to the this indicator and strategies and trading view. You will able to see that invite only script like this, and you will see that Bank Nifty direction bank stocks. So I have total six paid scripts are there. Bank Nifty signal system, this is 1000 rupees script. Bank Nifty direction is 1500 rupees. Crude oil indicator is around 2500 rupees. Nifty signal system is 1500 rupees. Sid master moving average is 5000 rupees, and trend following indicator is 5000 rupees. And all the indicators prices are per month basis. But I know that you will make more money with this one, this indicators. And if you follow the system properly, then no one will stop you to make success in stock market. Thank you. Thank you everyone.